Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford F-150 transmission slipping issue and the potential problems associated with it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. Transmission slipping in the Ford F-150 is commonly described as delayed acceleration, engine revving without a corresponding increase in vehicle speed, unexpected gear changes, or difficulty staying in gear. Verified owner reports and service information show that transmission slipping concerns have been reported across multiple Ford F-150 model years and generations, with causes varying based on transmission type, mileage, maintenance history, and driving conditions. One verified and frequently reported cause involves low or degraded transmission fluid. Insufficient fluid level or fluid that has broken down over time can reduce hydraulic pressure needed for proper clutch engagement, leading to slipping under load or during gear changes. Another confirmed cause relates to internal clutch wear. As clutch packs wear with mileage and use, they may lose the ability to hold gears firmly, resulting in slipping that becomes more noticeable during acceleration or towing. Transmission control system-related issues have also been documented. Faults involving sensors, solenoids, or control module calibration may cause improper shift timing or clutch pressure application, contributing to slipping behavior in certain driving conditions. Valve body wear or sticking valves are another verified factor. The valve body controls fluid flow within the transmission, and wear or contamination can interfere with pressure regulation, leading to intermittent or persistent slipping. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include torque converter issues, software-related adaptive learning behavior, or overheating-related fluid degradation. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper diagnostic testing. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include checking transmission fluid level and condition, performing fluid service when appropriate, scanning for transmission-related fault codes, updating control module software when applicable, and inspecting internal components if slipping persists. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Owner feedback trends indicate that some Ford F-150 transmission slipping complaints are resolved through maintenance or software updates, while others require more extensive mechanical repair. Experiences vary by model year, transmission design, and vehicle usage. In conclusion, Ford F-150 transmission slipping is typically linked to fluid condition issues, internal clutch wear, or transmission control system faults. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.